homemade cheesy crackers. Welcome back to BonAppekit, where we make all of your dreams in the kitchen come true. Come along with us today as I show you how to make one of my favorite snacks right here at home. It is the famous Cheez-It cracker, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is. What makes this recipe so easy is it only takes 4 ingredients. Here I have half a cup of all-purpose flour. I have a whole brick of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm only going to use half, so about 4 ounces, half a cup of shredded cheese. For that ratio, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of butter. I've got this frozen. We want it as cold as we can get it. Then all you need is a pinch of salt. But to keep it lively, I'm going to hit it with a little bit of garlic and paprika for color. Hey Carrie, did you hear about the cheesy weather forecast?
No.
They're calling for rain with a chance of breeze.
Oh, I like that. We need it.
So let's get started with step 1, and that would be the shredding. Just go right down the presumed middle of that. And because what we're making is kind of like a shortbread, I'm going to run this cheese through the small side of my box grater because we really want to be able to break it down into pebbles. So you'll see just how much cheese that yielded from using the small side of our grater. And we're just going to introduce that to a medium mixing bowl. So then we're going to add our half a cup of all-purpose flour. And then get to mixing. So you're basically just going to toss these together. You want all of your cheese shreds to be fully coated in flour. So just keep going in there with, like, I don't know, bird hands and breaking up the clumps of cheese that you find to make sure everyone gets really floured. And this will turn into like almost a pebbly consistency. That's when you'll know you're done. Grab your butter out of the freezer, run that through your box grater as well. I've never messed one of those up.
First time for everything.
And you'll see, isn't that lovely? Love seeing those butter curls. So we're gonna take that, and guess what? Into the mixing bowl. We're going to give a few cranks of salt because we used unsalted butter. Just a little layer of garlic. A little layer of garlic. You might use a little less than me, but I'm going in with that. And just spruce it up with a little paprika. Then go back in with your hands. Carrie knows what I'm going to say here, but we're going to toss this together until we have a consistency of
A mixing?
wet sand.
Wet sand.
Wet sand is a very popular consistency in baking. It's for shortbreads and pie crusts. So we've got this down to our pebbly wet sand consistency, and that's nice, but we do want it to stick together. So my secret ingredient is going to be about a tablespoon of whole milk. Some people tell you to use water in this, but the milk really brings out the richness of the cheese and the butter. All that dairy works well together. So there, tablespoon of milk. And then just gently kind of push all of this together, and it'll make a nice soft, sticky, short dough. Just like that, boom. Dough. Look at that. Told you this was easy, y'all. I'm going to pat this down into a puck, drop that in the refrigerator while I set my oven to preheat to 350 degrees. Hey Carrie, what is cheese without a cracker?
Sad.
Cracker lacking. You're gonna need your version of a rolling surface for our dough. So I've got my Silpat and some wax paper. I'm gonna put down a little bit of flour and pull out our chilled dough. Tap, tap. Tap your dough. Are we ready for this? All right, I'm notoriously bad at this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and make it a square. Let's see, get a little flour on your rolling pin, a little flour on the side, and try to roll these out. Oh yeah, that's going fine. Comment below if you ever had a Cheez-It. Comment below if you ever had a cracker. Now we want really super thin. So we're going to go, I think, what, like 1/8 of an inch? Because if you make them too thick, they won't get crispy. And again, this being a short dough, it's very forgiving. So if some of it clumps up, you can just pat it back down into place. Okay, where are we at here?
Looks like Apron.
Looks like a pork cutlet. Hammered the heck out of it. What are we thinking here?
Yeah.
Go ahead and do a cut?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and square these up. I think like that. Well, that's a terrible shape. But then you can do this with a butter knife. You could do this with a plastic knife. And this is where you can really have fun with it. Whoa, what's that? I didn't expect that. Neat. But just, you know, the size and shape that you're looking for, we're going with the traditional squares. Or at least my estimation of squares. Now your next step, this is the hard part. Take your chopstick and put the traditional hole in the center of all your crackers.
Does that do something or?
Well, it prevents the cracker from puffing up into just a huge ball of air. Although I wouldn't mind a few bubbles in these. I like a puffy Cheez-It every so often. In fact, I like the extra toasty ones. I think I'm alone in that. Comment below if you like the extra toasty Cheez-Its. Then the hard part is transferring these. These aren't going to spread. They're not going to get any bigger, so you don't need to worry about spacing. You just want to gently lift them and place them so that you're not distorting the cracker shape.
Happy little crackers.
Yeah, just a field of happy little cheddar crackers. With your leftovers, so easy. Smash them together and roll them out too. Comment below if you know how to use chopsticks.
Go ahead.
And with your last bit of dough, tap, tap. Why not? Do the same thing. What's gonna happen? Let's make one big Cheez-It. Uh-oh. Like this?
That's really funny.
That's chef's choice. That's the signature.
That's really funny.
All right. With your cracker dough so delicately arranged on your cookie sheet, just throw these into your 350-degree oven for 10 or 12 minutes. Just be sure to keep an eye on them after 10. Hey, Carrie. What did one cheese say to the other?
I don't know.
You know, I'm quite fond of you.
Aww,
Fond
true.
of you. Well,
Ooh, it smells good in here. Oh.
yeah, those are done.
Look at this.
Are they done?
Ooh.
Well, here's our finished product.
Yeah.
You know what? I did
that
go
looks
in there.
great.
I flipped these and then gave them a shake and a shuffle and a wiggle, and here's our finished product.
Yay.
These beautiful homemade cheesy crackers.
That one big one.
Well, look at that. Can you hear this? All those crispy crackers colliding in the Coliseum of, I don't know. There's only one thing left to do, and that's step one. Get cheesy with it. Oh, yeah. This is all you're looking for in your store-bought cheese cracker favorite without any of the polyunsorbonate monothiazolinene iodine sorbonate or seed oils. I sure hope you try these at home. They're so fast, so easy,
Guilt-free.
guilt-free. Just that little hint of garlic and paprika really set this apart from the store-bought version. Feel free to customize these any way you like for the cheese cracker lover in your house. As always, this has been BonAppekit. Feel free to like, subscribe, share us around. Leave us any recipes you'd like to see us make in the comments below, and God bless. Hey, Carrie. Did you hear about the cheese forecast?
No.
Hey, Carrie. Hey, Carrie. Did you hear about the cheesy weather forecast?
No.
It's gonna be rainy with a chance of... Hey, Carrie. Did you hear about the cheesy weather forecast?
No.
They're calling for rain with light breeze. Hey, Carrie. Hey, Carrie. Hey, Carrie. Did you hear about the cheesy weather forecast?
No.
They're calling for rain with a chance of breeze.
Oh, I like that. We need it. Hey, BonAppekit.
Hey, y'all. I'm about to take these shorts off. It's
That's a new show.
Bottomless Chef. You've heard of the Bottomless Buffet. You didn't know it was made by Bottomless Chefs. Anyway, where are we at?
Let's move on. Cheez-Its!
Am I getting enough light?
Yeah.
How do I look in this light?
Beautiful.
Welcome back to BonAppekit, you guys. The ease of this recipe is defined by the contemporary parallelism to the expenditure of time versus the number of ingredients. If you plot that on two parabolic curves, you find that the asymptote, the square of the asymptote.
Oh my gosh, we're in the 1800s.
Did they have pre-calculus in the 1800s? This really sets these apart from that store-bought
Smile.
Okay. I am smiling.